Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Statisticians Hub. Our today's topic is Python Arithmetic and I am Varnali Das Chaudhary, a student of Master's 3rd semester, Department of Statistics, Assam University, Silchar. Arithmetic in Python refers to the basic mathematical operations that you can perform on numerical data types such as integers and floating point numbers. Python supports the following arithmetic operators. Let us see what are these. The addition operator is used to add two operands together. In the example provided, where result equals to 5 plus 3, where 5 and 3 are the operands. When the expression is evaluated, the value 5 plus 3 is calculated, resulting 8. The result of the addition operation 8 is then assigned to the variable result. The subtraction operator is used to subtract the right operand from the left operand. In the example provided, result equals to 10 minus 7. 10 is the left operand and 7 is the right operand here. When the expression is evaluated, the value 10 minus 7 is calculated, which results in 3. The result of the subtraction operation 3 is then assigned to the variable result. Here, the multiplication operator, it basically multiplies two operands together. In the example provided, result equals to 4 into 6. Here 4 and 6 are the operands as I have discussed in the addition and subtraction operators. Now here the expression 4 into 6 is evaluated, which results in 24. The result of the multiplication operation 24 is then assigned to the variable result. The division operator divides the left operand by the right operand. In the example provided, where result equals to 15 by 3, where 15 is divided by 3. The expression 15 divided by 3 is evaluated, resulting in 5.0. One thing is to be noted here that in Python, division always returns a float. The result of the division operation, that is 5.0, is then assigned to the variable named as result. The integer division operator divides the left operand by the right operand and truncates the decimal part. Here in the example where 15 is divided by 2, the expression 15 divided by 2 is evaluated, which results in 7. But the decimal part is truncated. The result of the integer division operation 7 is then assigned to the variable named as result here. The modulo operator percentage is a mathematical operation that returns the remainder of the division of the left operand by the right operand. It is represented by the percentage symbol. In this example, 17 is the left operand and 5 is the right operand. When 17 is divided by 5, the result is 3 with a remainder of 2. Therefore, 17 percentage 5 evaluates to 2, which is the remainder. The exponentiation operator is a mathematical operation that raises the left operand to the power of the right operand. It is represented by the double asterisk symbol. Here in the example, 2 is the base and 3 is the exponent. The expression 2 double asterisk 3 means 2 raised to the power of 3. When 2 is raised to the power of 3, it results in 8. These are shortened operators used to modify the value of a variable by adding or subtracting a specific value. For example, x plus equals to 1 is equivalent to x equals to x plus 1, which increments the value of x by 1. Similarly, x minus equals to 1 is equivalent to x equals to x minus 1, which decrements the value of x by 1. These operators are commonly used for incrementing or decrementing loop counters or variable values in programming. So friends, we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you once again for being a part of our channel. Until next time, stay inspired, stay curious, and most importantly, stay tuned.